Hi there. Are you ready to take your small business to the next level using TikTok? Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to share the latest, most effective TikTok strategies that can help you grow fast. Whether you're just starting out or you've been using TikTok for a while, these tips will make a big difference. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding your audience. First things first, know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Think about their age, interests, and the type of content they enjoy. TikTok's algorithm works best when your videos connect directly with the people who want to see them. So, do a little research on your ideal customer and focus your content on what they'll find valuable, funny, or inspiring. Section 2. Create short and engaging videos. TikTok is all about short, snappy content. Make sure your videos grab attention within the first 3 seconds. Use trending sounds, ask questions, or start with something surprising. And remember, you don't need a huge production budget. Simple, authentic videos often perform better than overly polished ones. Section 3. Leverage trends and hashtags. Keep an eye on trending hashtags, sounds, and challenges. Join in on trends that align with your business. For example, if you sell handmade products, show your process while using a trending sound. And don't forget to use relevant hashtags. This helps TikTok show your content to the right people. Section 4. Post consistently at the right times. Consistency is key. Post at least 3 to 5 times a week to keep your audience engaged. Also, pay attention to when your followers are most active. TikTok's analytics tool can help you figure out the best times to post. Posting when your audience is online increases the chances of your videos being seen. Section 5. Engage with your audience. Don't just post videos and disappear. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to interact with your content. Engagement is a big deal on TikTok. The more people interact with your videos, the more TikTok's algorithm will push them to others. Section 6. Show your personality and tell stories. People love connecting with real humans, not just brands. Use TikTok to show your personality, share your story, and let your audience see the behind the scenes of your business. Tell them why you started your business, share your wins, and even your challenges. It makes your brand more relatable and trustworthy. Section 7. USE calls to action in your videos. Don't forget to tell your viewers what to do next. Include clear calls to action like, follow for more tips, check out our website, or share this with a friend who needs to see this. It's a simple step that can make a huge impact. Section 8. Run TikTok ads if possible. If you're ready to invest a little money, TikTok ads can be super effective for small businesses. Start with a small budget and test different types of ads. TikTok's targeting options let you reach specific audiences, so you're not wasting money on people who aren't interested. And there you have it, the best TikTok strategies for small businesses in 2024. Now, it's time to put these tips into action. Which strategy will you try first? Let me know in the comments or share your results with me. Don't forget to follow this channel for more tips to grow your business online. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.